What if your biggest regret wasn't what I did, but what you didn't see? Imagine standing at the edge of your potential, staring at a life unlived. Like a deep-sea diver, the true treasures aren't on the calm surface. They're in the uncharted depths, demanding courage to explore the unknown. We've all felt that grip of fear, the whisper of doubt that says, "It's too hard," or "You're not ready." That inner critic can be louder than any external challenge. But remember Maya Angelou, who said, "Nothing can dim the light that shines from within." She turned pain into prose, fear into freedom. What is the purpose calling to your soul? The one you keep putting off, the one that truly sets your spirit alight. It's like the quiet hum of a distant melody. You know it's there, meant for you, but you hesitate to follow its tune. Don't wait for permission or for the perfect moment. That moment is now. It's always been now. Your purpose is not a destination. It's a journey. So take that first brave step today. Write that idea down, make that call, start that project. It doesn't have to be perfect to begin. Because when you live your purpose, you don't just transform your own life. You ignite a ripple effect, inspiring everyone around you to find their own light. Stop waiting for a sign. You are the sign. Go, create, live your legacy.